एफआई इंडिया का 19वां संस्करण और प्रो पैक इंडिया एक्सपो के 7वें संस्करण के साथ मिलकर आज एक शुरुआत के साथ शुरू हुआ है, जिसमें खाद्य सामग्री प्रसंस्करण, पैकेजिंग और आपूर्ति श्रृंखला पारिस्थितिक तंत्र के हितधारकों को आकर्षित किया गया। यह शो 3 से 5 सितंबर 2025 तक इंडिया एक्सपो मार्ट ग्रेटर नोएडा में चल रहा है, जो वैश्विक और भारतीय हितधारकों को नेटवर्क बनाने, नवाचार करने और भोजन के भविष्य को आकार देने के लिए एक साथ ला रहा है। कुल मिलाकर यह शो 15,000 से अधिक पेशेवरों का स्वागत करने के लिए तैयार है, जिसमें 340 से अधिक प्रदर्शक और मजबूत अंतर्राष्ट्रीय भागीदारी शामिल है। यह मंच दुनिया के सबसे तेजी से बढ़ते खाद्य और पेय बाजारों में से एक में उच्च मूल्य की सोर्सिंग, सहयोग और निवेश को सक्षम करना जारी रखता है।
Mr. Krishna Gupta, MD. We're so thrilled to have amongst us Mr. Yanni Very, FI Brand Director, Informa Markets. May I have the pleasure of welcoming Mr. Rahul Deshpande, candles for us to light the lamp and also look forward to a very, very positive beginning to today with chants of Ganesh Vandana lighting up the atmosphere.
Of you for this closed round media briefing. Welcome to FI India and ProPack India. This is the 19th edition of FI India and the 7th edition of ProPack India. Before I talk about the show, let me introduce the dignitaries who have joined me here today. We have sitting to the left of me is Dr. Meenakshi Singh. She is the Chief Scientist with CSIR. Then sitting next to me is Mr. Hitesh Patel, who is Managing Director of K Patel Extractions. Also, he is the Chairman of the Ingredients Committee of Hadsa. Then sitting next to him is Mr. Nilesh Lele, who is President CSMB, and we also Mr. Nilesh Amrutkar, the immediate past President of the of the association. Yeah. So. Just talking to you about this show, FI India and ProPack India is a very synergistic show. We are talking of food ingredients out here. When we talk about the food industry, the government has been promoting food industry so very much, especially in this budget. As you saw, more 30% more allocations have come to food industry in terms of setting up new food parks or giving PLI benefits. Ingredients is the core of it, and that's what you see at this show. All the natural extract, natural ingredients, everything that goes into food is out here. So if there's a good ingredient, then you only have the good finished product. So that's something which we believe in, and that's the reason this show. And this is definitely, as it started, there were more international companies, but if you see, there's now a great blend of international and domestic companies overall. And along with that is ProPack, which is a packaging and processing show, which goes
important part of any food. And of course, lot of government, already said by that this is promoted by the government. Lot of schemes are coming up, PLI by the Ministry of Food Processing. So and here almost I think more than 350 I think exhibitors are here, and more than lot of countries all over India, all over I think world, lot of participation from the in this exhibition. And the area of this Greater Noida, I can say very, very green, so everyone can have health by food as well as by the environment, away from the pollution from the Delhi. So
Yogesh ji, and I'm really very glad to be here and participating in FI. I would like to take you all back before say a decade and more, when just Informa started. Before Informa there was UBM, right? And since then I was a part with the UBM, then after the Informa. And I have seen the entire journey, how they have grown in India. India, there was no such organization who was doing a very systematic international standard of the expos, which was required. When we were participating globally, we were always used to think that when this kind of the expos will take in India, and when the foreign people will come to India and they will look for their products, their formulas or the ingredients. So gradually we have seen the efforts of the UBM and the Informa that they are gathering the entire supply chain and the value chain in this platform. So by that, what happened that all the stakeholders, they came on the one platform and they get the technology, they get the innovation, they get the suppliers, they get the buyers, and that's what else any entrepreneur want, any segment, any industry want. This is all the things they want in one platform in just 3 days. And I personally can acknowledge that our growth has been continuously with the support of this kind of the exhibitions globally, not India, but
I'll just make 3 short points, and of course more than happy to answer any questions here. हिंदी मूवीज़ में हम देखते हैं, राइट, रोटी कपड़ा और मकान, एंड दैट टेल्स अस दैट कपड़ा और मकान, फिर भी मुंबई में हम देख लेते हैं कि बिना मकान लोग रह लेते हैं, 1 या 2 जोड़ी कपड़ों में लोग रह लेते हैं, बट विदाउट फूड यू कैन नॉट सर्वाइव. सो फूड इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड दैट्स वाई शोज़ लाइक दीज are very important, and I congratulate Yogesh sir and his team that they have been doing this for 19 years in a row. Hopefully next year in Mumbai we'll have a much bigger show celebrating your 20th year. So it's very important that we understand the importance of food ingredients and shows like this. Second point is, when our Honorable Prime Minister talks about doubling farmers' income, we know that almost 30% of the produce goes waste, and that's why processing, packaging is very important, and those aspects also need to be highlighted, and you'll see things like those here in the packaging on the ProPack side. The third point I want to make is the world's population is increasing. आज हम 800 करोड़ पे है, 8 बिलियन पे है, and we are going to touch 9 billion or 900 करोड़ in 2015. So who's going to feed the world? How are we going to feed the world? So again, it's very important that shows like these address some of those things. And finally, since all of our media brothers and sisters are here, I want you to play a very constructive role in projecting the food industry. I know we negative चीज़ें बहुत जल्दी से फैल जाती है, but there are positive things also happening, and this show is one of them, where a lot of these positive things should also be showcased by our media friends here, to show that how the food industry is progressing, how food ingredients are progressing, and how shows like these are actually going to help feed the world, are going to help the farmers grow their income, and the basic necessity of food that the whole world needs will be provided through shows like this. Thank you very much.
आपको देख के हमेशा अमिताभ बच्चन का फील आता है, and actually not just because of Yogesh, but the show itself is the Amitabh Bachchan of the industry of trade shows in food sector. So this FI for last 2 decades, I have personally been associated with FI for last 1 decade, 10 years as the president of AFSTI Mumbai chapter, and then the national president of Association of Food Scientists and Technologists of India. And every year we have been doing, right from UBM days to Informa markets, we have been supporting the trade show in terms of conferences, in terms of seminars, in terms of promoting and propagating the concept of this trade show across the food industry. And recently in last 2 years we have been also part of the FI Awards, which has been instituted by this particular trade show, Informa Markets, and we are on the jury panel, and it's so interesting to see how the new developments are happening, right from R&D to the new product development, to the changes that are happening, innovations that are happening in food processing sector at various levels. It is not that the awards are only for the big people, but it also for the small people, the MSMEs, where a lot of focus is being given by Informa Markets. And being from a technical background, the testing inspection field, I also happen to be the vice chair of the India TIC Council, Testing Inspection Certification Council. So here also we come across lot of lot of companies which deal with testing and inspection of the food ingredients that are being showcased over here, whether if they are of quality, they are of standards which are available worldwide, and how will it affect the health of an individual, will it affect the health of the individual, and how will it support the health of the individual when it is actually making the product more acceptable to the larger. So congratulations once again to Yogesh and team, Archana, Nestor, Rahul Deshpande, all of have been doing a great. For any questions related now.
The right quality of ingredients is something which FI India promotes, and over the years it's become the benchmark of creating this kind of platform for the industry, and that's where the farmers' roles come in. And I think everything that gets into is basically supportive farmers, good farming practices, good and the experts are there. I think they can talk about more nitty-gritties, but for me it's a platform for all the farmers to invest in good quality of products and good farming practices, really.
So somewhere or the other, farmers are definitely involved, because ingredients just don't come into the air. They are either the natural ingredients coming from the farmers. In fact, I would add to this that it is creating lot of value addition to the normal produce of the farmer when it is getting processed as a food ingredient. So definitely the companies that are represented over here are interacting directly or indirectly with the farmers, and they are coming up with supply chain with backward integration with the farmers.
So हिंदी इज़ ऑल्सो ओके, थोड़ा हिंदी इंग्लिश. तो आप FI साइड में अगर आप चले जाएंगे, वहाँ पे सह्याद्री फार्म्स का स्टॉल है. सह्याद्री फार्म्स ये फार्मर प्रोड्यूसर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है. तो 30,000 फार्मर्स को एक साथ लेके उन्होंने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बनाई है. दे आर द लार्जेस्ट एक्सपोर्टर ऑफ ग्रेप्स. ऑलमोस्ट 3,000 कंटेनर्स ग्रेप्स वो एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं यूरोप को. ओके, उन्होंने वहाँ पे उन्होंने और भी कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स लॉन्च किए, जैसे वो जब सिट्रस फ्रूट्स जो हम ऑरेंजेस हो गए, लेमन हो गए, अचार बनाते वक्त आप लेमन बनाते हैं, तो उसमें से जो वेस्ट निकलता है, साइड प्रोडक्ट्स बाय प्रोडक्ट्स निकलते हैं, तो उसमें से उन्होंने वैल्यू एडेड प्रोडक्ट्स बनाए हुए हैं. पोमोग्रेनेट प्रोसेसिंग जब होता है, हम जिसको दाड़िम बोलते हैं, उसका जो छिलका होता है, आपको पता होगा आज अमेज़ॉन पे भी अवेलेबल है. अगर आपको डायरिया हुआ है, पेट खराब है, तो वो छिलके की पाउडर अगर आप लेते हो तो आपका पेट ठीक हो जाता है. तो ये सारे जो वैल्यू एडेड प्रोडक्ट्स है, सीड ऑयल हो गया, ये सारे उन्होंने वहाँ पे शोकेस किए हुए हैं, जिससे आपके आज जो पोमोग्रेनेट ग्रो करने वाला फार्मर है या उसको प्रोसेसिंग करने वाला फार्मर है, उसका वैल्यू एडिशन होके उसका इनकम एक्चुअली ग्रो हो रहा है. ये क्लासिक लाइव एग्जांपल्स आपको देखने को मिलेंगे. तो मैं इनकरेज करूंगा आप सभी को कि आप प्लीज़ कुछ ये ऐसे स्टॉल्स विजिट कीजिए, जिसके वजह से आपको फर्स्ट हैंड इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलेगा कि फार्मर का इनकम या फार्मर को बेनिफिट कैसे हो रहा है.
गवर्नमेंट ने अनाउंस किया GST रेट्स रिवाइज हो रहे हैं, तो एवरीबडी इज लुकिंग. सो एज अ इंडस्ट्री वी आल्सो हैव अ डिमांड की GSTs, बट एक फूड पे ऑलरेडी द इसेंशियल्स पे तो देयर इज नो GST रियली. इसेंशियल फूड्स पे इट इज मिनिमम इट इज देयर, and 5%, right? 5% which is there. So that's the lowest best which is.
So we made the representation through the ARTSA to the government for the ingredient side and for the food supplements and the nutraceutical, and also come to the food product also, where there is the almost 12 and 18% of the excise GST is there. So what happened when now this is the essential things. When if you reduce the GST and brings under the 5%, then automatic there will be a growth of this industry, and that will be beneficial to the entire supply chain, right from the farmer to the consumer. So I think so the government must think to reduce this GST. We have already made the presentation.
अच्छा, it's a one question. ये टैरिफ को लेके सर, इस टैरिफ का इम्पैक्ट, सो आप अगर कल प्रोपैक में दोपहर को आई थिंक 1 बजे एक सेशन रखा हुआ है which will talk about we have panelists who will be talking about it, but to address your question, there are certain industries which are going to get more impacted. अभी आप बासमती राइस का एग्जांपल ले लीजिए, आज जो यूएस में बैठा हुआ है और वो जो बासमती राइस इंडियन पॉपुलेशन खा रहा है, आपने उस पर 25% लगाइए 50% लगाइए, वो फिर भी बासमती राइस ही खाने वाला है. सो स्पेसिफिक फूड्स जो इंडियंस कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं एंड दे हैव अ सर्टन प्रेफरेंस ऑन देयर पैलेट, जैसे आज साउथ इंडियंस टिपिकली प्रिया ब्रांड का ही अचार खाते हैं, पाठक ग्रुप का खाते हैं, सर्टन वेस्टर्न इंडिया के महाराष्ट्र के हमारे यहाँ बेड़े करके खाते हैं. आपने 25% लगाइए 50% लगाइए, दे आर स्टिल गोइंग टू एंड अप ईटिंग दोस थिंग्स. सो येस, द इम्पैक्ट विल बी देयर, बट जो इंडियन डायस्पोरा है वहाँ पे और वो स्पेसिफिक प्रोडक्ट्स अगर उसको वही चाहिए तो वो एंड कंज्यूमर वहाँ जो है उस पर इम्पैक्ट ज़्यादा होने वाला है कंपेयर टू हमारे यहाँ पे. बट येस, देयर आर सर्टन अदर इंडस्ट्रीज एज वी ऑल नो, टेक्सटाइल हो गया, जेम्स एंड ज्वेलरी हो गया, which will have a bigger impact on tariff because of tariff that is implemented.
For SUC